Why can a straight umbrella pass through a curved channel? Why does this cane, which is clearly straight at the bottom, manage to rotate out from a portly cane hole when it is tilted? How can this straight stick shuttle back and forth through two curved holes? The above three videos are not performances of the type that involve visual illusions or misplacements. Let's first observe the rotational path of this straight stick. It is rotating at an incline, creating a hyperbolic shape around its main axis, known as a hyperboloid of one sheet. Many large structures are constructed based on this geometry, such as the cooling towers of many power plants, which are favored for their excellent convection blocks and heat dissipation. Another example is located in Guangzhou, China. Known as the Xiaomanyao, the Guangzhou Tower, it adopts a single-leaf hyperboloid with a thinner middle and thicker ends. This design not only saves materials, but significantly enhances strength, enduring pressures that would otherwise be untenable. Moreover, in the field of architecture, this equates to creating an aesthetically pleasing curved shape without the need to bend or alter the straight steel beams. Additionally, such a shape also increases the stability of the building itself. This experiment clearly demonstrates that objects, in order to stabilize during descent, naturally take on the form of a single-leaf hyperboloid.